Hey, what's up? Zigzer here. Forms have a variety of uses, including collecting general information for effective analysis, survey or feedback to improve customer service for businesses, record keeping, and much more. In this video, I will show you the best method to create a fillable form in Microsoft Word. Let's go. The first step is to map out the basic structure of the form by creating a title, adding labels for each field, and organizing it into sections. If you want to create one from scratch, launch the Word application and start with a blank document. Add a header for the title, then use tables to create organized sections for your form fields. For more convenience, consider using one of MS Word's built-in templates to create a form quickly. To use one, go to the File tab and click New. In the template search bar, type Form and press Enter. Browse the result and pick one that closely aligns with your intended use. This way, you can use the template as a starting point and make only minor adjustments to personalize it. Once the basic structure is ready, the next step is to add the necessary controls to create your fillable form. In MS Word, you can find the different form elements you need under the Developer tab in the ribbon. If you don't see the Developer tab, right-click anywhere on the ribbon and go to the Customize the Ribbon window. When the dialog box appears, find the Developer option in the list, check it, and click OK to apply your changes. After adding the configuration, navigate to the Developer tab and use the various elements in the Controls section. For formatted text input, like multiple paragraphs or characters with different font styles, use the Rich Text Content control. Meanwhile, Plain Text Content Control is also available for standard entries. To customize each control, highlight the specific field and click Properties in the ribbon for more options. On the Properties configuration page, you can give your field a descriptive label, change its color, or use the locking feature to prevent users from editing or deleting their entries. If you made some changes, don't forget to click OK to apply them in your document. Since drop-down menus are another common and useful feature for forms, Word offers two different types you can choose from. First, select Combo Box Content Control for a drop-down that offers users a default list of choices, but also lets them type in their own options. For stricter control, select Drop-down List Content Control to limit users to the choices you provide. To define your default choices, go to Properties and navigate to the drop-down list Properties section. Click the Add button and enter the first item for your drop-down list. Keep adding items until you've included all your options. If you want to reorder the sequence of the list, click one of the items and choose between Move Up or Move Down as necessary. Of course, your forms don't have to be limited to just text fields or drop-down selections. You can further enhance them with various elements like the Picture Content Control for user-uploaded images. Checkbox content controls are also ideal for simple yes or no questions, and if you need to collect dates, the Date Picker Content Control provides a convenient calendar that saves users from manually entering them. To change the default format of entries or apply other features, simply reopen the Properties window and make the necessary adjustments. Once your form is complete, you have the option to protect it to control what users will be able to edit. This keeps your labels intact and ensures that they only fill in the designated fields. Under the Developer tab, locate the Protect panel and click Restrict Editing. When the configuration panel appears on the right side of your document, check the editing restriction and set it up specifically to filling in forms. Confirm the restriction you have set with Yes, start enforcing protection. For extra security, you can password protect your form to prevent unauthorized changes to the editing restriction, but you can also choose not to set one. When everything is set up, press Ctrl+S to save your document. If you prefer, you can also go to the File tab and open the Print window to export your form as a PDF file. However, please note that the exported PDF is not easily editable. If you want to learn different ways to edit your PDF for free, click the tag in the upper right corner or find the link below. I have another video that explains how to do this step by step. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.